If you're over 60, your muscles are quietly shrinking right now. Not because you're lazy, not because you're sick, but because your body is losing the ability to rebuild itself. You might have noticed it already. Your legs feel weaker, your steps less steady, stairs feel like mountains, and the worst part? You could fall, break a hip, lose your independence forever. Here's the chilling truth. After 60, you lose up to 8% of your muscle every decade, and after 70, it speeds up even more. This condition has a name, sarcopenia. But what if there were simple, delicious teas that could help fight it? 6 teas, backed by science, that support muscle, reduce inflammation, and help you walk strong again. Let's get into it. According to Harvard Health, muscle strength is the one predictor of longevity after age 60. Not your cholesterol, not your weight. Muscle. Let it waste away, and you invite falls, fractures, hospital stays, loss of independence, depression, and yes, even early death. The good news? Muscle can be rebuilt at any age. And today, we'll show you how to support it, 1 cup at a time. Green tea isn't just a trendy drink. It's a clinically proven muscle protector. A 2022 study from the Journal of Medicinal Food found that epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, the main compound in green tea, directly improves mitochondrial health and reduces muscle breakdown in seniors. Mitochondria are your cells' power stations. They keep your muscles energized. Green tea helps boost metabolism, lower inflammation, slow down muscle protein breakdown, enhance recovery after exercise. And best of all, just 2 to 3 cups a day made a significant difference in muscle health in trials. But that's just the start. Let's reveal all 6 teas. TA1, Matcha Green Tea, the muscle metabolism booster. Matcha Green Tea is one of the most powerful natural muscle protectors available, especially for seniors over 60. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is made by grinding the whole green tea leaf into a fine powder, which means you're not just steeping the leaves, you're drinking them. This gives you access to 100% of the leaf's antioxidant and nutritional power, making matcha significantly more potent. The key compound in matcha is EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a polyphenol shown in multiple studies, including those published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, to protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to age-related muscle loss. Another standout nutrient is L-theanine, an amino acid that helps calm the nervous system and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone responsible for muscle breakdown, belly fat, and insomnia in older adults. Matcha is also rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify cells and reduce inflammation, factors that directly impact your ability to rebuild strength and walk with confidence. The best time to drink matcha is in the morning on an empty stomach, when your metabolism is most active and your body is primed for nutrient absorption. For even better results, add a squeeze of lemon to your matcha. Vitamin C significantly improves the bioavailability of its antioxidants. However, matcha contains caffeine, so it's best to limit yourself to no more than 2 cups per day to avoid sleep disturbances or jitters. Seniors with heart conditions or caffeine sensitivity should consult a healthcare provider before making it a daily habit. When used mindfully, matcha becomes more than just a drink. It becomes a daily muscle-supporting ritual, boosting mitochondrial function, reducing catabolic stress, and helping you stay active and independent as you age. TA2, Ashwagandha Tea, the Strength Tonic. Ashwagandha tea is a powerful strength tonic rooted in Ayurveda and now validated by modern science. Often called the Indian ginseng, ashwagandha has been used for centuries to restore energy, stamina, and muscle resilience, especially during aging. What makes it especially valuable for seniors is its scientifically proven ability to support muscle growth, reduce fatigue, and improve recovery, even without heavy exercise. A 2020 double-blind study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who took ashwagandha regularly showed significant improvements in leg strength and muscle mass, even without resistance training. That's incredible news for seniors with limited mobility. Ashwagandha works by balancing hormones and calming stress. It helps restore declining testosterone levels, a hormone vital for maintaining muscle and bone strength in both men and women. It also improves sleep quality, which is essential for growth hormone release, your body's natural repair signal during deep sleep. And when cortisol, the stress hormone, is high, muscle breaks down faster. Ashwagandha helps lower cortisol, protecting your muscle tissue from unnecessary loss. For best results, drink ashwagandha tea in the evening before bed. Brew it with warm milk or almond milk, and add a pinch of cinnamon to enhance relaxation. This nighttime tea doesn't just support your strength, it prepares your body to repair while you sleep. With consistent use, it becomes more than a calming ritual. It becomes a daily investment in your independence, mobility, and muscle longevity. TA3, Ginger Turmeric Tea, the inflammation slayer. Muscle can't grow if it's inflamed. That's where curcumin, from turmeric, and gingerol, from ginger, step in. Together, they reduce chronic inflammation, the hidden enemy of muscle growth. A 2021 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Nutrition showed these compounds improve mobility and reduce muscle pain in older adults with arthritis and chronic weakness. Best time, post-meal or before light activity. Tip, add black pepper, piperine, to boost curcumin absorption by 2000%. TA4, Rooibos Tea, the hormone balancer. Rooibos tea is a gentle yet powerful herbal remedy that supports muscle health by balancing your body's stress hormones. Unlike many teas, Rooibos is completely caffeine-free, making it safe and soothing for seniors, especially in the afternoon or evening. What sets Rooibos apart is its rich content of flavonoids, plant-based antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and, more importantly, lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone that rises with age and silently breaks down muscle tissue over time. Chronic high cortisol not only causes fatigue and sleep problems, but also accelerates muscle loss, especially in older adults. A 2019 study from the University of Stellenbosch in South Africa confirmed Rooibos tea's ability to reduce cortisol and restore healthy levels of DHEA, a hormone critical for energy, tissue repair, and muscle recovery. Balanced DHEA also supports your metabolism, improves energy, and maintains blood sugar stability, which is essential for preserving lean body mass. Rooibos tea is ideal for mid-afternoon or evening, when cortisol naturally peaks and begins to interfere with sleep or appetite. Drinking it warm, with a touch of raw honey and a slice of lemon peel, not only enhances flavor, but boosts the tea's antioxidant profile. Regularly sipping Rooibos doesn't just calm the mind. It helps your entire body shift into a muscle-preserving, repair-friendly state. For seniors looking to stay strong, sleep deeply, and age actively, Rooibos tea is one of the simplest yet most impactful daily habits you can adopt. TA5, Nettle Leaf Tea, the mineral rebuilder. Nettle is rich in magnesium, calcium, and iron, minerals essential for muscle contraction, oxygen flow, and strength. NIH data shows many seniors over 60 are deficient in magnesium, leading to cramps, weakness, and poor recovery. Nettle helps reduce muscle cramps, boost blood circulation, improve red blood cell count. Oxygen equals muscle performance. Best time, with lunch or dinner. Tip, combine with hibiscus for blood pressure balance. TA6, Hibiscus plus Beetroot Tea, the leg circulation enhancer. Hibiscus and beetroot tea is one of the most effective natural remedies to enhance blood circulation, especially to the legs, where poor blood flow often causes weakness, numbness, and fatigue in seniors. After 60, circulation naturally declines due to aging blood vessels and slower nitric oxide production. This is critical because your muscles need oxygen-rich blood to function, repair, and stay strong. Without it, your legs may feel heavy, cold, or unstable, and muscle loss speeds up. That's where this powerful tea blend comes in. Hibiscus is packed with anthocyanins and antioxidants that support healthy blood pressure and vessel flexibility. Beetroot, on the other hand, is one of the richest natural sources of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and boosts circulation. A 2020 study from the Mayo Clinic found that seniors who consumed beetroot extract daily saw measurable improvements in walking distance, muscle strength, and leg endurance, particularly those with peripheral artery disease or diabetes-related circulation problems. Drinking this tea 30 to 60 minutes before a walk or light leg workout helps increase oxygen delivery to your lower body, reducing fatigue and improving performance. It also helps warm the feet and relieve that familiar pins and needles sensation. For best results, drink it warm, not hot, as excessive heat can reduce the nitric oxide boosting effect of beet compounds. This simple tea can help you walk farther, stand longer, and feel stronger, 1 cup at a time. Here's what your doctor might not tell you. Sarcopenia isn't inevitable. You don't lose muscle because you're aging. You lose muscle because your body is inflamed, underfed, and understimulated. All 6 teas above help solve that. They reduce chronic inflammation, improve blood flow, regulate hormones, and fuel recovery. Daily mistake to avoid: relying on protein alone. You've heard it 100 times, eat more protein. But without blood flow, hormonal balance, or inflammation control, protein gets wasted. It's not what you eat. It's what your body can use. That's why these teas are the foundation of any strength recovery plan over 60. Recap: your daily muscle tea plan. Here's how to structure your daily muscle tea plan if you're over 60 and want to rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and regain the confidence to walk with ease. Start your morning with matcha or green tea plus lemon. This combination kickstarts your metabolism and energizes your cells by enhancing mitochondrial function. EGCG from green tea helps reduce oxidative stress on your muscles, while lemon boosts antioxidant absorption and supports hydration. At midday, sip on a mix of nettle and hibiscus tea. This pairing is loaded with minerals like magnesium and iron, crucial for muscle contractions, blood oxygenation, and endurance. Hibiscus also supports blood vessel flexibility, while nettle promotes circulation to your legs and feet. This is a great choice before or after lunch to reduce leg fatigue and combat poor blood flow. In the evening, choose between ashwagandha or rooibos tea. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol, supports natural testosterone, and enhances muscle recovery during sleep. Rooibos, caffeine-free and rich in calming flavonoids, also helps reduce stress and supports deep rest, which is when your body releases growth hormone to repair muscle. As a bonus anytime during the day, sip on ginger turmeric tea with a pinch of black pepper. This potent anti-inflammatory combination helps protect muscle tissue, ease joint pain, and calm systemic inflammation, the hidden driver of age-related muscle decline. You don't need to drink all 5 every day. Rotate based on your energy levels, sleep patterns, and physical activity. But commit. Stay consistent for 1 month. You'll begin to feel the difference in your strength, energy, and how confidently you walk. 1 cup at a time. 1 step at a time. Muscle comes back.